I used to be a great whistler. Yeah, hi. I'm here to see Xander Wild, and no, I don't have an appointment. Don't bother going to security. They're all headless.
All right, if you would all please look at the rendering, you'll notice that there are several interesting engineering problems that present themselves.
Oh, don't get up. I won't waste too much of your time. I've got a business proposition. Tell me what I want to know and you don't get turned inside out.
Please don't hurt anyone.
Where is Xander Wild?
He's not here.
Yeah, I'm not blind. Maybe you are. You know?
No one does. He's never stepped foot in this office.
Okay.
We've never met. I've only ever communicated with him through a proxy.
Proxy. Slippery little sucker thinks he can get away from me. Where can I find this proxy? Pray tell.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Jimbo! Oh, buddy old pal, it's great to see you.
Drop the gun.
Oh, you are such a stick in the mud.
Give it up, clown boy.
Hey. Knock, knock.
You're supposed to say who's there.